Well, I wanted to share with you my new gnome and put it in a post. So I'm putting this in Penny's post with a two-tiered tray. Oh, don't you think he looks cute? Got him for Valentine's. And I got two little Valentine cupcakes also. Aren't they cute? Finished off so well with the gnome theme. And I found these two heart-shaped leaves. Those are real leaves. You know, Grandma, anything she can find that she can incorporate into her fairy gardens for free, she's ready to do it. And I think it looks really cute next to this and shows all the love my family always show near me for every holiday there is. And they're always getting me things they know I can use and enjoy. He's going out to the garden and he'll get his photo op this coming week. But because it was a Valentine's gift, it's not going to stay out there. It's just going out for his little photo op. I will probably maybe put him in two fairy gardens and bring him back in and pack him away until maybe another month or so. We'll see what I do with him. He might turn up in some tablescapes also, but he's going to be an indoor gnome, not outdoor. Hope you enjoy what I got for Valentine's. I hope everyone goes over to Add Penny's place. She did an awesome job on this tiered tray today, and this challenge is going to be awesome. I would love for you to go check out the playlist and see what everyone came up with. I'm sure you're going to get a lot of great ideas and inspiration for Valentine's from these awesome creators that joined in. Good morning to all my awesome friends and family. I did a two-tiered tray here for Valentine's, as you can see. Flower arrangement I already have used multiple times. I did change the container that they're in now to a different teapot, but I think it still looks really nice. The little butterfly I've had for maybe 7 or 8 years, and I thought I would just throw it in. It goes very well with my two-tiered tray that's in a pale pink, and as you can see, the butterfly has gold trim with pale pink and green. I thought it looked very pretty with my pieces. Then I have my XOXO sign, no cost for that. I've had that forever too. I brought my pink candle holders in to put a little romantic light on this centerpiece. The flowers I've had for quite some time. I have 2 new fairies, or the only 2 new items on this table, and they came to about, I'll say $15. It may have been a little less. I think they were like $6 or $7 a piece. So I have the 2 little fairies. The one here is holding a little butterfly on her hand, and that's why I thought the butterfly was a great thing to bring in as an accent piece. And here's my other little fairy. As you can see, she's as pretty as can be. I love how pretty she looks. The roses and all the flowers have all been used in prior posts. None of this is new. Over here, I have one of my lanterns, and I've had this about a year or more. It is my favorite lantern, and I thought it looks very romantic for Valentine's. As you can see, Is it not beautiful? I carefully placed my unicorn inside and put some greenery in there for a little bit of color. I thought it turned out pretty nice. A free project, since I already owned everything that you see. The only things that were new on this centerpiece for Valentine's is the two little fairies. And I tried to make it look, whoops. Okay, I messed up, guys. I just remembered, I just put a new tablecloth on, and it was $4. So we're up to $18 for this project now. Still not a bad price, still under $20. Not bad. Let me know what you think, and let me know what was your favorite piece. And what did you think about changing out the teapot for a different one, but the flowers are exactly the same as what I had in the other one. And of course, can you believe that Grandma has things that are this old and still look really good? I love that little butterfly, such a great accent piece. And of course, the two-tiered tray itself is probably had 15 or 20 years also. So this was an under $20 project. Let me know what you think for what I spent and how I put it together. I know it sort of isn't too much over for Valentine's, but I've done so many Valentine centerpieces, tablescapes this year. I decided I wanted to go a little more simpler and basic. I almost forgot to mention, we do have the little pink hearts in the flower arrangement. Of course, all of this has been seen in past posts, but there is a little flavor of Valentine's season. The hearts, the XOXO, and the beautiful flowers. And of course, the beautiful beaded necklaces that have the little hearts on it. But I thought it turned out pretty nice. Let me know what you think. What was your favorite piece? What did you like the best about this project? Especially, I love under $20. And the best part of all is I will be using all these pieces again in the near future, and after we've used them and written them off once, they're always free from then on. We should have a lot of free projects coming up. Let me know what you think about this project. I'm joining in with Penny at Penny's Place for this tiered tray for Valentine's for this month. I couldn't wait to join in. She's such an awesome creator, and I love joining in on things with her. She's so kind, so sweet. Please go over and check her channel out if you're not already following her. And don't forget to check out the playlist. Sure, you're going to see a lot of beautiful displays on this tiered tray for Valentine's. Don't forget, this is at Penny's Place. Awesome creator.